Welcome to 33195 Glenwood Court in North Ridgeville, Ohio. Fall in love with this unbelievable 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, freestanding, maintenance-free Bob Schmidt cluster home. The impressive kitchen features a skylight offering tons of natural light, a center island, breakfast bar, granite countertops, LVP flooring, black stainless steel appliances, and slider door access to your amazing courtyard. The tranquil courtyard features beautiful mature landscaping and a new brick paver patio and offers full privacy with a wooden fence. Make your way into the great room, which includes a dining area, built-in bar, vaulted ceiling, wall of windows overlooking the courtyard, and a wood-burning fireplace. The master ensuite has an entry door to the courtyard and a huge his and hers walk-in closet with built-in dressers. 2 additional bedrooms offer extra-large closets for ample storage. An oversized heated 3-car garage makes this property an exceptional value.